Question number 4, in a music class of 37 students, 14 like punk rock, 13 like rap, 16 like the blues, 3 people like punk rock and rap and the blues, 29 like punk rock or rap or the blues, 7 people like punk rock and the blues, 22 people like punk rock or rap, 5 people like rap and the blues, 5 people like punk and the blues. All right, so a person is chosen at random from this group. The following are 3 possible events. P, a person likes punk rock. P, that's circle P. R, a person is a rap fan. And R, B, a person enjoys the blues. That's here. Question A, represent this situation using a Venn diagram. So here's the Venn diagram, and we're told that 14 people like punk. So I'm just going to put very faintly a little 14 here. This is not one of the numbers we're after. And then 13 people like rap and 16 people like the blues. I'm going to write in red the real crucial numbers. 3 people like punk rock and rap and the blues. We're looking at the intersection between punk rock and rap and the blues. So that's this area right here. This is the intersection of those, okay? Because and is intersection. Here, 29 people like punk rock or rap or blues. So the or is union. So all together, who likes punk rock or rap or the blues? Anyone in here, we're told, is 22 people. We have 37 people overall. 29 of them like punk rock or rap or the blues. That means 8 of them don't like punk, rap, or the blues. I put the 8 there. 7 people like punk rock and the blues. And is the intersection. So I know that I have 7 people in here. I already have 3 here. So I already have 3 out of the 7, so I'm missing 4. So 4 must go here. 22 people like punk rock or rap. Punk or rap. So in these 2 circles combined is 22. So I'm just going to put a little 22 there just to remember it. 5 people like rap and the blues. This, what's common to rap and common to blues is this little area right here. If there's 5 people in here, and I already have 3, that means I'm missing 2. There's your 5 people. We're told that 5 people like punk and rap. Punk and rap, the intersection of those is 5. We already have 3 here, so I'm going to put 2 there. Now we have to figure out, well, what's here? We know that there's a couple of ways we can figure out. We don't even need this 22. I want to figure out this. How many people are in this little region here? So we know there are 14 in all of punk. Okay, so in this circle there are 14 people. And we have 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9. And 9 plus 5 made 14, so this has to be a 5. I'm going to do the same thing here, so I know I have 13 in this full circle. Here I have 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 7 makes 13. So I have to have 6, and then down here I have 9 plus 7 makes 16, so I have to have 7 down here. The red numbers are what we're after. The blue was to help us out, and the green was to help us out, but the reds are what we're after. A person is chosen at random from this group. The following are the 3 possible events. We've already gone over that. B, find the probability. Person chosen at random likes punk and rap, P and R. P and R is this area right here, the 2 and the 3. There are 5 people that like punk and rap out of the 37 students. So it's 5 out of 37. If you put that through the calculator, 5 divided by 37 is 0.135135, repeating, which is 13.513513 repeating percent. C, find the probability of B union P. So B union P is blues and punk taken all together. Like this. We have 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. So that's 23 people like the blues or punk. 23 on 37, which is 0.621621, repeating 61, or 62.162 repeating percent. And that's it for C. For D, find the probability of R given P, which is the probability of P and R, intersection R, which we've already figured out is 5 out of 37, divided by the probability of P. The probability of P is 14 out of 37. Okay, so 5 out of 37 divided by 14 out of 37, which is 5 out of 37 times the reciprocal of the dividing fraction, times 37 over 14. The 37s cancel, and we're left with 5/14. As a decimal, it's 0.375714, and it goes on forever. It repeats. I'm going to convert that to a percent by multiplying by 100 and putting the percent symbol, so 35.714%. E, find the probability of P given R. So that's the probability of P and R again, which we know is 5 out of 37, divided by the probability of R, which is 13 out of 37. We have 5 out of 37 divided by 13 out of 37, which is 5 out of 37 times 37 out of 13. Okay, dividing by a fraction is multiplying by its reciprocal, the dividing fraction's reciprocal. 37s cancel, we get 5/13, which as a decimal is approximately 0.38462. Multiplying that by 100, putting this percent symbol, we have 38.462%. And that is it for question number 4. Have a good day.